Hey guys, this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube, and I wanted to challenge myself to see if I could turn one of these Dollar Tree wood hearts into an Easter bunny for Easter. So I am going to take one of the microfiber mop heads. I love these for fluff from the Dollar Tree, and I'm actually going to put it behind the heart like that because I really like the look of the white wood beads on the front of the heart. And I want to see if I can turn it upside down and make it look like a bunny face. This was a little bit of a challenge, but I think I pulled it off. I think it turned out pretty cute. I just cut the microfiber mop head down to size, and I'm going to hot glue it here onto the back of these wood hearts. I love these hearts. I think they're so cute. Dollar Tree better be getting us some new stuff like this since they're not giving us shore living this year. But I just attached it to the back and I trimmed it up a little bit so that you wouldn't be able to see it from the front. But I actually pushed it through the heart so it looks puffy, almost stuffed there on the front. Now for the face, I'm going to try to make some bunny eyes out of some of the Dollar Tree black macrame cord. I'm guessing you could probably also use yarn for this too, or you can just use the white and paint it. I just put a circle of hot glue down on my silicone mat and spiraled it along to give me these little fun eyes. I do want to make sure they are symmetrical, and so I did trim them a little bit to make sure they're the same size. And I want two little bunny eyes in black. I'm going to use some Dollar Tree bunny ears for the ears. I just use hot glue and glue this down into the fluff. It almost makes it look sewn in. I love the idea of using the macrame cord for this kind of stuff. I'm going to switch it up to the white because I want to paint it for the nose. And this time, instead of a circle, I just did a triangle of hot glue and spiraled it around as well to fill up that shape. And then I also want another piece for like the mouth of the bunny. And I'm just going to paint the macrame cord with like a pink polish, light pink acrylic paint, and dry that so we can put the bunny's face on here. Now I don't have a lot of room since I am working with the heart shape. I do attach the nose like right above this part of the heart, and then I'm going to have the mouth kind of come out to the side. Normally I wouldn't make my bunny's face probably quite so compact, but I kind of had to make do with the size that I had there. I attached the little mouth going out both sides. I love the fact that they're pink. And I chose some of the Dollar Tree ears, the classic pink with the white fur here for the bunny ears. Now, these have the plastic pieces in them. I just went ahead and stapled mine, trying to make sure that I got the plastic piece in there to make my ear stand up. I do kind of change these here in a minute, you'll see, because they weren't quite what I was looking for. I wanted a little bit more bendability in here and be able to mold the ears. For the base of it, I'm just cutting down some craft wood in a length a little bit longer than the heart, and I'm going to attach the bunny with some hot glue. For the base, to kind of disguise that and make it look fun for Easter, I thought reindeer moss would be perfect, so I'm just going to attach reindeer moss all over here with some hot glue to make it look like the bunny is peeking out of the grass. You could also do some little Easter eggs down there if you wanted, but I think that looks pretty cute. And I told you I wanted my ears to be bendable. So what I did is I took them back off, and this time I'm going to go in with wire. The only strong wire I could find at the Dollar Tree was the wire jute, so that's what we're going to work with. I cut off a piece that will go all the way around the inside of the bunny ear and a little bit longer so that I can attach. And the bunny ears this year seem to be wired. I think that I had this set from last year that had the plastic piece in there. So I just use my staple gun to attach those to the back, and now I can mold them. I can have both of them be floppy, or I think I like it better with just one kind of floppy. And this is how it turned out. My little heart Easter bunny. I think he's really whimsical and fun. If you'd like more Dollar Tree DIYs, be sure to check out my YouTube channel at Crafty Beach. And until next time, happy crafting.